To manage all recipes used in the farm, follow these steps. First of all, open the Feeding Programs Recipes tab on the app. To add the first recipe, click the Add button in the top right corner. On the new page, enter necessary information: recipe name. You can also enter mixing time in seconds. This will activate a timer. On the machine, a timer will be activated for the duration defined in this field, and add notes. A recipe could be flagged as a premix. The premix is a pre-prepared ingredient as a mixture of other ingredients, to be used at a later time. If you're preparing a premix recipe, you need to check this checkbox. For more details, we recommend watching the dedicated video. By selecting the recipe by percentage option, you can define the recipe components not in terms of total weight, but as a percentage of the total. For more details on how this mode works, we recommend watching the dedicated video. It's important to remember that once the recipe is created in this mode, you cannot revert back. After entering all information regarding recipe description, you can add the recipe's ingredients. For this action, you need to scroll on the bottom and click the green Add button. In the new dialog window, you can see all possible ingredients. Check the needed ingredients and add them. For each ingredient of the table, you can modify the values of dry matter, weight/cow, and dry matter, weight/cow. These values are linked with each other, so you will see the other changing based on the modification you made. You can change the order of the ingredients by using the drag and drop option, and you can at any time change the content of the recipe by adding new ingredients or deleting existing ones. To delete an ingredient, you simply need to select it and press an bin icon. For each ingredient, you have the option to set a mix time. This will activate a timer on the scale that will start at the end of the load of the ingredient. At the bottom of the page, there is an option labeled Water Adjustment. Through this function, you can input the target dry matter percentage of the recipe. Based on this value, DTM will automatically calculate the amount of water to add. If the component is already present in the recipe, its weight will be adjusted. If it's not yet included, it will be added with the newly calculated weight. After all information is entered, save it. Now all recipes can be displayed via a table on the current page. You can sort them by code, name, and total weight. If you want to see what recipe consists of or need to make any changes, you need to click on the recipe name. Now you will see all information about the chosen recipe and have a possibility to fix it. You could rename it, change mix time, add or delete ingredients, and change ingredients value, which are highlighted by gray. Don't forget to press Save button after all needed changes are made.